Hi YouTube family, welcome into today's video, which is a lot of empties and disappointing products. These are products that I've used up or that I have set to the side because I just don't really like them. So yeah, we're gonna go through this as quickly as possible. But so here we go, I'm just gonna pull it off the top. We're gonna go right straight from there. Peter Thomas Roth, this is his rose mask and this is his cucumber mask. And you can see that I still have some of the cucumber. It was just getting too old and I really had to get rid of it. I'm not crazy about these. I'm not going to repurchase them because what I want from a facial mask is if it's not going to give me the, purity where it kind of is pulling stuff out of my pores, what I want it to do is hydrate. And I felt like these kind of dried down and there wasn't much hydration from them. But keep in mind, you guys, I'm super duper dry. Okay, this actually was a dislike. This is from Essence. This is their Super Last eyeliner and it's the waterproof one. I particularly didn't like this because I didn't care for the wand itself and the formula just was a little bit, see, I just got it all over my thumb, just even trying to pull it out of there. The formula was really liquidy. It was like too hard for me to work with. The wand there is really long, so just really wasn't one that I really appreciated. So that one was a no. Here's a skincare item from Even Naturals. This is the Retin A 2.5%. I don't really feel like any anti-wrinkle happened from this. And maybe it's just because I know the background of actually using Retin A on your skin and how much different it is than using these retinols. So I wouldn't recommend that one. I used it up, but I still wouldn't recommend it. This is from Sigma. This is called Sigma Magic Brush Shampoo. I also wouldn't recommend this because my really dense brushes, like if you have a really super dense brush like this that's short but it's dense, the stuff would get down in there and it would take me forever and ever to try and get the soap out of there. I never felt like this really rinsed through it, so just not something that I was excited to have at all. Okay, I have two products from Jason, I guess it's maybe Jason Skincare, something like that. These are deodorants. This is a spray one, and then this is, underarm one. And these two products stung the crap out of me, which tells me that they have an absolute ton of alcohol in them. And then obviously just drying your skin out with alcohol isn't necessarily going to be deodorant, and it really didn't do the deodorant for me. This has an Allure Best of Beauty on it, if you guys can see that right there. I don't know why, because I wasn't impressed with it at all. Some sprays that I used up this month, the Wet n Wild Natural Finish, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and then the e.l.f. Mist and Set. Can I talk? I can't talk. I'm trying to talk too fast. e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Okay, this is a yes. This is a yes. This is a yes if you can afford it. If not, Hard Candy has a primer water that's like so good, and any primer water that you can get from the drugstore, I feel like it's too much money for what it does. It's just a primer water. It's not like it's got, a bunch of skincare ingredients or anything in it. So this one, it was good, but I wouldn't run out and get it again because of the price point. Dr. Teal's body wash, this one is the activated charcoal. All of his body washes, his like bubble baths, all those kinds of things, they do have pure Epsom salts in them, and I use that because it helps my fibromyalgia so much. If I can sit in an Epsom salt bath and just soak and allow the warmth of the water and the Epsom salts to, soothe my fibromyalgia and my aches and pains, it's so nice. So I do use their body wash. My hubby uses it. He loves it too. We keep one of those around all the time. We use different ones all the time. This is the Microderm Abrasion 2-step system from Olay Regenerist. This is a really super gritty product. This one right here, it has an orange color to it. I've used it completely up. Has an orange color to it, very gritty. You put that on your face. If you rub it in too much, you're going to irritate your face because it is very gritty. However, then you go ahead and put the lotion on it and it gets an activation warming sensation, and you can really get a good exfoliation out of this. My Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. I love this stuff, you guys. If you ever struggle with being able to take off your eye makeup, this is your best friend. And it's so inexpensive. This huge thing is only $15. I also used up my last bottle of my Nioxin hair regrowth treatment. This is the Minoxidil. I purchased this now in the 3-pack from Kirkland, and it's less than half the price of the Nioxin. I will list that if you guys are interested in it. It has helped my hair so much. I will not be without this. I use it every single day. It tells you to do it twice a day, but now I'm down to just like maintenance. It helped my hair grow back in so much when I lost so much of my hair. So this stuff is an absolute must for me all the time. This one right here is the I think it's Ebonel. I hope that's it. But it's the Numbing 520 cream. It's a topical solution, kind of like what they use when they do the shots in your mouth for when you're at the dentist. This cream is what I use when I do my micro needling, and I do it across my forehead because my forehead hurts so bad when I do that needling. Between my, on my 11s right there and on my lips, I can actually get my lips really, really numb with this. My forehead doesn't get quite as numb, but I have to have this when I do my forehead because I use a little bit longer needle. I think I use the 1.0 needle or something like that. And so it's a little bit longer of a needle, and I can't get by without using this. I absolutely love this stuff. And it lasts a long time because you don't need a lot. My Big Sexy Hair Sulfate-Free Extra Volumizing Shampoo. I actually really do like this for its volumizing properties. And this lasted me such a long time. These are the Big Daddies that I buy when they go on sale at Ulta. You can also pick these up at Sally's or anywhere else like that. So really like that one. This is the Strivecta Neck Cream. I use this little tiny one up, and I'm on my second tiny one, and then I have a big one to try. I don't know, you guys. I did take before and after pictures, but I'll tell you what I'm running across with this. Have you guys found that when you use these kind of neck things that say that they're firming, that you can get like balling up? I don't know if that's just me or if that's really the product. Okay, this is from Dry Bar. This is their Detox Dry Shampoo. I liked this, but it's too expensive. I have their Triple Sec, which is, it does 3 different things. I think it's dry shampoo, volumizing, and texturizing. And I like that one too, but they're just way too expensive. I think they're between $25 and $30. And for me, there's stuff that is at the drugstore that is every bit as good. Batiste, I love Batiste. It's such a good dry shampoo. Okay, you guys, this right here is all of the stuff that I used up from The Ordinary. I'm going to go through them. I'm going to tell you whether or not I will get them again. Probably going to get everything here again. This is the EUK 34 or something like that, 134, sorry. This is an antioxidant like ferulic acid or that kind of thing. But the difference between this and what makes it stand out from all other antioxidants is that this actually will rejuvenate itself through the day. Most antioxidants only last you about 2 to 3 hours on your skin, but this has properties in it that helps it to, you know, over and over again. It's going to give you the protection over and over again. Look that up on the DCM website under The Ordinary and see what you think about what it says about that, because I was really impressed. This one is the AHA and BHA chemical peel. Chemical peel 100%. I'm going to be repurchasing that. Every bit as good as the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial, has higher percentage of AHA in there. Argireline is supposed to be like Botox in a bottle. It's supposed to help relax the muscles or relax the skin where you have really deep wrinkles. This one, I don't know if I'm 100% sold on. I keep using it in hopes that my 11s will go away. Buffet has really good, all different kinds of serums within it. It has a multi-purpose serum. So yes, I would repurchase this. However, they have come up with one that has peptides and amino acids in it. So I actually did purchase that one instead of this Buffet one this time. And so I'm liking that one so far. Niacinamide is a vitamin. It's vitamin B3. And basically what this does is it helps pull the sebum out of your pores, which is just like dead skin that's collected in there. If you have pores that you're noticing that are congested, that helps with that. It also can help with blemishes. However, it won't prevent you from getting blemishes. Alpha arbutin can help with the look of age spots and dark spots on your face, especially if you, like right now I have a blemish right here that's really driving me crazy, but especially if you have something like that and you get this to it before, you know, it has a chance to scar really deeply or anything like that, this can help with those dark spots. So that's everything I have from The Ordinary in here. This right here is a line of skincare called Go Pure, and they were kind enough to send this out to me to try. There's a retinol cream, there's a hyaluronic acid, there's a vitamin C, and then there's a retinol serum. And I also have an eye serum that I don't know where it went. Anyway, I don't think I would really be repurchasing this one. I used them all until they were up. I didn't feel like there were any super benefits from it. Plus, when I looked at the ingredients, the first of the ingredients weren't the actual what you're looking for. Okay, from Philosophy is the Miracle Worker with SPF 50. This says it's a miraculous anti-aging lotion, and I don't know if it's that at all. I wouldn't say that it's that. I probably wouldn't be repurchasing this one just simply because it's not one that I feel like, you know, was like did miraculous things for my skin, like it says. I hate it when they make those kind of claims and then you go through a whole tube of it and you don't really see any difference. The sleeping mask from Laneige, this is for all over the water sleeping mask. It's for all over your face. I used this little sample. I didn't feel like it was anything like the lip sleeping mask. I love the lip sleeping mask. I use it every night, but this was fantastic like that product is to me. So I probably wouldn't recommend that to you, and I know that I'm not going to be repurchasing it again. This is what turned me onto the Hourglass Veil Mineral Powder. I really do like this powder. It is a really, really good powder. It has a teeny tiny bit of luminosity about it. It's micro fine. It goes underneath your eyes. If you're one that has to powder underneath your eyes, it does go underneath your eyes really nicely. I don't use a lot of powders, but I did repurchase this one in the big one because I just felt like it was a really beautiful powder. So FYI on that one. The Elemis, I hope that's how you say that, Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging. The collagen molecule cannot penetrate the skin barrier because it's too big. So anytime something says collagen on the front of it, I actually go, ooh, I don't know. We hear about how good collagen is, and it's, you know, what supports youthful skin, but you know, to just try and put it on your face, it doesn't work. We have to work way deep in the layers of our skin, like with something like Retin A that will actually promote collagen regrowth in our skin. We can't just put it on our skin, or we have to take it internally, something that's going to promote collagen production in our skin. This one is from Tan-Luxe, and this is a self-tanning solution. And you can see right there, it's really watery. And what it does is it goes into your lotions and then you use it to do a self-tanner. I liked the concept of this. However, this particular one turned me kind of orange, and I don't really like the Oompa Loompa look. And so this one wasn't one that I would repurchase, but I do like the concept of putting a self-tanner into your lotions. This is from Benefit. This is their Ready Set Brow. I love this product for setting your brows. I know that there are other products from the drugstore that are just as good, but I really did like this one. I actually like the little comb on it. It looks really gross and nasty, but I do like that it has a little comb instead of a little brush in there. So this one I would repurchase if I got the chance to. This is from The Rock. This is their eye cream that is supposed to have retinol in it. I'm sorry, you guys. This is something that I used, and it was just like putting water on my eyes. I would not really recommend that one at all. I used the whole entire tube. Didn't notice any changes in it. This is my holy grail. This is my tretinoin that I buy online, and this is the Retin A product. So yeah, I use every single little last drop out of it when I'm using it. So this is something, yes, this is always going to be in my skincare regimen no matter what. This is it. 2 eyebrow pencils that I've used up. This one is from Benefit. This is their Goof Proof Brow. I actually really love the teardrop that it has in there that it goes on with. I really like the shape of that one. And then this is the e.l.f. pencil in brown. I like this because of its price point, and it did just every bit as good a job as this one. From Buxom is one of their plumping lip glosses. I love these things. I use them at night. I just think they are so nourishing, and they feel so good, and they have that cooling menthol effect on your lips. This one is in Sophia. I don't find that they really, you know, translate into any colors on your lips whatsoever, but they are so nice, you guys, and I think that you'll love them if you haven't tried them before. They're really good. So that was a lot, you guys. That was such a lot. And I know that I went really fast over everything. So I hope that you did enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know if you had anything that was disappointing in your month, or if there's a product that you repurchase over and over again because you use it up so often. I would like to hear that from you as well. I hope that you're all having a fantastic day. Love you guys very much. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all in my very next video. Bye, guys.